What is up, guys? I've got a quick video for you today. Last time when I was doing the LED lights, I didn't get to finish the rear, which is the license plate bulbs, and there's a little light that shines into the hatch area, and I didn't get to do it. So I just want to show you real quick how you can knock those 3 bulbs out really easily. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so I've made my way to the back of the vehicle. Everybody knows what these are. They're the license plate light. I've got one that's actually out on this side, so I wanted to replace that. Now when you first look back here, you see these screws. You actually think that this is how you get to them, or a lot of people, or at least I did, so maybe I'm just a dummy. Anyways, that is not how you do it. This is actually just the screws that hold these. I don't know if they're plastic, I don't think they're glass, but these little covers in place for the bulb. But actually you have to go inside the vehicle, and there's a panel that you remove, and I'll show you that in a second, and that's how you get to these bulbs. So let's go inside. So guys, I've got the hatch open already, and I'm inside the vehicle. It's one of the nice things about the Viper. It's kind of like a sitting bench almost in the hatch area back here. Anyways, this little SRT panel, I went ahead and took the screws. Nobody wants to see me pull 6 screws out, but it's pretty easy. You unscrew, there's 3 here, there's 3 on the other side, and it says SRT on there, which is nice. SRT10. Once you take those out, this little panel comes out really easily. And let's have a closer look in here. So as you can see, there's the rear light I was talking about that illuminates into the hatch area. Really easy to pull out. You just pull that, pull the bulb, and you can get to it. Now, for the license plate ones, you can see they're up there, but they're very easy to get to. So let me see if I can pull this out real quick. So it just pops right out, and as you can see, I've got the whole thing out. Now I just got to grab that bulb and replace it, and this one, and these just kind of snap into place. As you can see, blew out. So before I get pulled over or get a ticket for having a bulb out, I'm going to go ahead and address these. Anyways, I'm going to put some LED replacements like I did inside and see how that looks. So let's put them in, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so in case you're wondering which ones I'm putting back there, these are the 194CW HP5. I'll link them in the description, and I got these from Super Bright LEDs. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that, of course. Just letting you know where I got them from. I'm sure there's other options up there, but I've had good luck with these, so I'm gonna pop these in real quick and then we'll have a look. Just want to show you real quick what the difference is with the old one, of course. You can see the difference in lighting, and then with the new really bright LED. So let's pop the other one in as well. Alright, I've got both the bulbs in there, and you can see how much bright. I should have showed you before in there, but you saw it on the inside. See how much brighter that is? That's gonna make a big difference at night. So there it is. Really easy. Should be a 2-3 minute job, maybe 5-minute job at the most. Now I just gotta put the cover back on, which I'm gonna clean first. As you can see, it's got some fingerprints on there and just hasn't been cleaned in a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that and pop it back in. By the way, this is the little bench that I call it, sitting area. Of course, it wasn't designed for that. That's because of the gas tank and suspension, rear end components, everything goes under there. So, but it's really nice because you can actually pop the hood, or not the hood, but the rear hatch, and actually sit there. Anyways, that makes it really easy when you're working on. That's the little panel that had to come off. I don't know if you can see it. 6 bolts, like I said, you can get to all 3 of the bulbs. The one that lights up the rear hatch and the license plate light. Anyways, makes it easy to work. Very nice little area. And surprisingly, Vipers have a lot of room, as you've seen in some other videos. You can actually carry quite a bit of stuff. Full-size luggage back here. So, alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Just a quick, short little video. The ones with the dash were getting so long last time, so I figured I'd save this last part for a short little quick video. And it's, you know, again, these LED bulbs, especially on these older cars, just make a huge difference on how it looks. I think it kind of modernizes it a little bit. And of course you can see better because those OEM bulbs are just so bad. They're so dim. It's really hard to see anything. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.